Hey everyone, today we're going to do ribs but with a 3-2-1 method, which means we're going to smoke them low for 3 hours, then we're going to wrap them for 2, and then unwrap them and finish them off for the last hour. So let's get these on the smoker and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get that membrane off these ribs. I'm using baby back ribs. Just use a dull butter knife, get under the membrane, and then use a paper towel to get a good grip and just rip that thing all the way off and throw it away. We're going to use yellow mustard as a binder to help that seasoning adhere to the ribs. So put it on the bottom and top of the ribs and then get that seasoning all over the ribs really well. First thing we're going to do is smoke these for 3 hours. We're going to preheat those smokers to about 225 to 250 degrees. And like I said, smoke it uncovered, not wrapped in any foil for 3 hours. You can spritz these with either apple cider vinegar or apple juice if you want, but you don't need to, because after those 3 hours, the next 2 hours is going to be wrapped in this aluminum foil. And we're going to put some honey and also apple juice in there, and then we're going to wrap these up really tight, and that's going to really get these ribs tender and kind of steam them. So we're going to put them back on the smoker with the meat side down, smoke these for 2 hours in that aluminum foil, and then get them off the smoker. We're going to pull them out of that aluminum foil, and the last hour is going to be with barbecue sauce. So grab your favorite barbecue sauce, lather it on the ribs, and throw them back on that smoker for the last hour. And once you have smoked these for the final hour, go ahead and pull them off the smoker. We're going to rest them for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're going to slice them with a very sharp knife into individual ribs and serve. And like I said, these are going to be extremely tasty and very tender. Enjoy.